Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily connect your Apple Watch SE Cellular with your iPhone. We'll cover everything from initial pairing to activating your cellular plan, ensuring you get the most out of your device. This guide is designed to be straightforward, helping you set up your watch in just a few simple steps. You'll be making calls and sending messages directly from your wrist in no time, enjoying seamless connectivity. Once your Apple Watch SE is powered on, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap Start Pairing, and then align your iPhone's camera over the animation displayed on your watch face. This will automatically pair the devices. Next, you'll choose whether to set up your watch as a new device or restore it from a previous backup, following the clear instructions on your iPhone screen. After pairing, you'll be prompted to set up cellular service. Select Set up Cellular, and then follow the specific instructions provided by your mobile carrier. This usually involves logging into your carrier account to add your Apple Watch to your existing plan. Confirm all the details, and once activated, your watch will have its own cellular connection, allowing you to stay connected even without your iPhone nearby. If you experience any issues, try restarting both your Apple Watch and iPhone. Always ensure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on your iPhone for a smooth connection. Also, double-check that your mobile carrier fully supports Apple Watch cellular service in your region. Following these simple tips will help maintain a strong and reliable connection between your devices, ensuring a fantastic user experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.